Describe a typical day. A typical day for me starts at 6 a.m. I wake up, brush my teeth, and have breakfast. After that, I go to school. My classes begin at 7:30 a.m., and I finish at 3:30 p.m. In the afternoon, I do my homework and relax. I usually watch TV or listen to music in the evening before going to bed at 10 p.m. What time does the day start? My day starts at 6 a.m. Is this a normal day? Yes, it is a typical day for me. Is 6 a.m. early? Yes, 6 a.m. is early in the morning. Who wakes up at 6 a.m.? I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Does the day start at 7 a.m.? No, it starts at 6 a.m. Is 6 a.m. morning or night? It is morning time. Why does the day start early? Because I need to get ready for school. What do you do first? First, I wake up. Do you brush your teeth? Yes, I brush my teeth in the morning. What do you eat in the morning? I eat breakfast in the morning. Do you eat breakfast before brushing teeth? No, I brush my teeth before I eat breakfast. Is brushing teeth important? Yes, brushing teeth is very important. When do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast after I brush my teeth. Why do you wake up early? I wake up early to get ready for school. Where do you go after breakfast? I go to school after breakfast. Do you go to work? No, I don't go to work. I go to school. Do you go to school in the morning? Yes, I go to school in the morning. What do you do after breakfast? After breakfast, I go to school. Do you go alone? I don't know. Maybe I go with friends or family. Why do you go to school? I go to school to learn and study. Is school near or far? I don't know, but I go there every day. What time do classes start? My classes start at 7:30 a.m. Do classes start at 8 a.m.? No, they start at 7:30 a.m. Is 7:30 in the morning? Yes, 7:30 is in the morning. What begins at 7:30? My school classes begin at that time. Do you start learning at 7:30? Yes, I start learning at 7:30 a.m. Is this early for class? Yes, it is quite early. Why do classes start early? Because that's the school's schedule. What time do you finish school? I finish school at 3:30 p.m. Is 3:30 in the morning? No, it is in the afternoon. Is 3:30 afternoon or evening? It is in the afternoon. Do you leave school at 4 p.m.? No, I leave school at 3:30 p.m. Do you study for a long time? Yes, I study for many hours. What ends at 3:30? My school day ends at 3:30 p.m. What do you do after 3:30? After school, I do homework or rest. What do you do in the afternoon? I do my homework and then relax. Do you sleep in the afternoon? No, I don't sleep, I do my homework. Do you do homework? Yes, I always do my homework. Is the afternoon time for relaxing? Yes, after homework, I relax. Why do you do homework? I do homework to practice what I learned. What do you do after school? I do homework and take a break. Do you play games in the afternoon? No, I don't play games then. What do you do in the evening? I usually watch TV or listen to music. Do you go to bed early? Yes, I go to bed at 10 p.m. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night. Do you watch TV every night? I usually do, but not always. Is music part of your evening? Yes, I sometimes listen to music. Do you sleep at 11 p.m.? No, I sleep at 10 p.m. Why do you sleep at 10 p.m.? I sleep early to be fresh in the morning.